Hello, welcome to Maintenance with Matt. My name is Matt Ryan from Ryan Automall. I've put together a series of short videos to help you maintain your vehicle at home. I believe a minute of maintenance can save you hours of heartache. Today we're going to take a look under the hood and check your windshield washer fluid. The windshield washer fluid bottle is see-through and has a yellow cap with a windshield symbol on it. There are three types of washer fluid you can use. The blue for all-around use, an orange one for summer use, which helps remove bugs, and a purple one that has protection against freezing. Whichever you use, you just pop the cap, add the fluid to the reservoir, and you're done. Note of caution: do not add water to the solution. Why? Because it may cause freezing, which can damage the system. That's today's Minute of Maintenance with Matt. Thanks for watching, and if you'd like more tips, just hit the subscribe button.